All right, so today we are going to discuss the electron transport chain. So first, I'm going to introduce mitochondria, a very important cell organ inside of our body to generate ATP. So if we take a look on the mitochondria right here, they got an outer membrane, they got an inner membrane, they got matrix, and they got the intermembrane space. And the electron transport chain actually happens um, on the IMM, so right here. So I generate this graph by myself based on my understanding. So I'm going to introduce this based on my understanding. So after TCA cycle, many substrates generate, including the NADH and the FADH right here. So the NADH will break into the NAD plus hydrogen ions and electrons. So the photon attached to complex 1 made this attractive to hydrogen ions and then pump the hydrogen ions out from the matrix into the inner membrane space through IMM. And then the FADH break down into the FAD and the electron. So the photon attached to complex 2 right here. Those electrons will then go to the complex 3, and these made complex 3 attractive to a hydrogen ion and pump the hydrogen ions right here. So you can see many hydrogen ions right here. And then the electron transport into the complex 4, pump more hydrogen ions out. And you can see right here, now the hydrogen concentration at the inner memory space is way higher than the matrix right here. So the hydrogen ion wants to go back. And when they go back, they generate ATP. How? So if you can consider this complex as rotation right here. So you can imagine like when hydrogen ions goes inside, it made this complex rotate. Just imagine that. And then by doing these mechanics, the ADP right here actually bind with the phosphor group to generate ATP. So the whole process, the whole electrotransport chain helps the mitochondria to generate ATP to maintain our body energy expenditure. And this whole process can be referred as oxidative phosphorylation.